Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Peacock TV to your TV from your iPhone. Before we start, your phone and TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Peacock TV must be installed on your phone. Your TV must support Chromecast, AirPlay or screen sharing. After that, open the Peacock TV on your phone. Open the Peacock TV app on your iPhone or Android phone. Tap on any show or movie and let it start playing. Look for the cast icon, a small TV with Wi-Fi lines. Tap it. A list of nearby TVs will appear. Tap your TV name. Your show will now play on the TV and your phone becomes the remote. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.